green light. We are so excited that Enlight has now launched green light. You'll see on this pad is a row of green, and it's still paired with the beautiful near infrared for all the benefits that we just talked about. Near infrared is great, but paired with green does some pretty cool things. Now, before I get into this slide, you can leave it there. Just FYI, you guys, everyone wants to know about green. I'm still learning about green. And what's really interesting is that green light has only been researched for 4 years. Now, that means it is a baby, it's an infant in the research world. Red light therapy has been studied for 40 years. So they are every day finding out little things, different things that green light is really good for. And there's some things that really sets it apart from the other colors. And there's also some things that it overlaps and does some of the same thing. And it's great to do both. All right, so here's the bullet points that I pulled out. I could probably talk a whole entire night about it. So I'm going to try and keep this brief as an introduction. Migraines and headaches, great research on that. Pain relief, even though red light is all about pain, they're finding that green works great for pain too. Facilitates wound healing and tissue regeneration, much like blue light, but it has some specific properties that helps with that. It helps improve skin and hair health. A couple things under that little category. I'm really excited about the study I found about reducing cellulite appearance. It also is really, really special in reducing age spots. That's something that blue light is not going to be as good as the green light. So that's really, really exciting. And then the chat is in front of, here we go. And then it's also been studied for reducing seasonal affective disorder as well. So let's just dig into some really simple research. The first one I believe I put is the one on cellulite.
Wait,
If
hold on.
we,
I was just gonna jump in really quick.
oh,
Me and PJ both been using our green pads for what, like 2 months now,
yeah.
and it was our first time using them, and it's been amazing for the age spots. I'm a sun lover, and it has been amazing for evening out the skin. It's incredible, and for the migraines, which PJ is going to talk about.
Right, but right now I want to talk about cellulite. Okay, so this is just a really easy study. It was done on 68 participants. The bottom line is it showed that green light is safe and effective for improving the appearance of cellulite in the thighs and buttocks. If you really want to test that, you get a green pad and do it on one side for 6 weeks and then compare the two. And well, you'll be lopsided, but one side's going to look really good. Uh, this one's a really great one. Oxygen and green light. I'm just learning this, but apparently green light releases 10 times the amount of oxygen in the blood and the tissues as red light does. Now, red light already increases oxygen in the blood. That's why it works so good on all those things. So they're finding that green light is even or increasing oxygen more. And why would you want that? Well, oxygen is essential for all the cells in the body to function properly. Low oxygen can lead to tissue damage and also impaired bodily function. And I can think of a couple of reasons, cold and flu season coming up, why you want increased oxygen. And one would be COVID, one would be pneumonia, and anything upper respiratory. I think this is going to be a really, really interesting pad to be used in that fashion for those conditions. And another exciting study, and there's lots of studies on this, green light reducing migraines. This one showed that migraine sufferers reported significant improvement in symptom release and quality of life with regular green light therapy sessions. Okay, so what this means is the people that were using the green lights in the study were using it on a daily basis, like prophylactically, to help reduce and prevent migraines. And what they showed it was at the end of the month, they had much fewer episodes than before they started doing. And we are so excited. When Enlight came out with the green and near infrared pads, we're really excited about that. But we asked, hey, with all the research on migraines, could you make us a face mask with only green light? And I'm so excited to get this. I don't have it yet. And I'm so excited for my daughter who gets migraines and all of my clients who have bad migraines. They should definitely be looking at this pad. Do you want to add anything to that, Christina?
No, we just launched it, and I mean, we just got them on Thursday. We just found out about this, so we're
Yeah,
excited. We don't even
yeah,
know yet. We've just been using our other green pads, but this one is just directly over the eyes, like your normal for all of our existing customers on there that have the face mask that's blue and red. It's the same face mask, but just with green, and it's amazing.
yeah. Green light is also showing to reduce inflammation, just like red does. So very similar. But I've been using my green pad in addition to my red, but I've really been trying to use my green pad a lot this month over my pain areas. I'm working on a torn meniscus. It's like probably 98% healed. But I've been really using the green light and just to see if I could tell a difference. And I love it. I don't love it more than my red pad. I love my red pads too, but I'm having fun experimenting with all the different things with the green.